Hello, welcome back once again to my channels. Today here we are again with Abarth Fiat 2021 595 or 500. We are going to check out and find out the right locations for the VIN punching number and describe a little bit short review about this beautiful small car. To stay with us, we will capture this car and to discuss a little bit about this the interior and a little bit short review from the exterior as well. So this is Abarth 2021, a small car and very beautiful shape. They mention Abarth and some of the logo they mention in 595, what the rear trunk they mention in 500. So it's get confused, but this is the latest from the Fiat sides, and all the side they mention in 500, 595. So a little bit check to the interior how it look like this. With look at all they mention Abarth on the display, and all the side is coming with the huge logo. This beautiful car. To start a little bit that's in here how to come from the rear sides. Open the trunk, and when you open the trunk, how to apply to take out that's the remove cover, the covers, interior covers, that's covers is located here. The one sticker is located here. This is the manufacturer plate is there, and the other is here. Let's focus in here. Okay. This is the number, and this portion is here. So it's very light, this like the number is not shiny, so it's not easy to find out that. And one way you have to focus on the right quarter sides, and this is the rear trunk. Let's close it back. This is Fiat 2021. This is 2021 model.